Welcome everyone, I'm Sarwar Jony. Currently I am pursuing my undergraduate from Department of Urban and Regional Planning at Khulna University of Engineering and Technology, Khulna. And today I am launching a course on GIS and remote sensing, and I will try to teach you the complete things throughout the journey. And now I am going to show you the basic of GIS. The basic of GIS, we mainly use three software majorly. There are many software available in the world. One of them is ArcMap, for showing you that this is the ArcGIS. This is comes from Esri, and this there are the several software used in ArcGIS. For ArcGIS, ArcMap 8.10.8, ArcGlobe, ArcSense. Though Esri has announced that the update of our ArcMap has stopped, and that's why we always prefer to go ArcGIS Pro. I will teach you also ArcGIS Pro, and another is also here QGIS we use for GIS and remote sensing. There are a lot of software we can use, but mainly we will use ArcMap for this time. Using ArcMap, we will try to learn georeferencing. Later on, we will also learn it from the ArcGIS Pro and QGIS too. At first, now I am opening my ArcMap 10.8, and it's opening here. Yes, and this work I have done previously from this, and that's why it's showing here. You will show blank or another things. I'll just cross this. This is the basic interface of ArcMap. Maybe there these maneuvers will not get you will not available in your interface, because I have worked previously and that's why is are available here. And if you want to get any panel from here, just right click in a blank place, and what things you want you can take it from here. And the basic interface, this is the untitled ArcMap, because I haven't saved it yet. If I save this one, and then it will work as titled. And then here is the file. You can get a new file. You can get a new file and open a file, save as, save a copy, share as data, sign in. And if you have a premium account, or you purchase ArcMap from Esri, you can sign in here. ArcGIS Online also available here, and all things you can get from here. This is the exit. If you want to get outside of this course of this software, you can just click exit. Then edit, there is the redo, undo, cut, copy, paste. These are available in edit. And then view, data view, layout view. When we want to print our map, then we go to layout view. And data view, when we will work in this interface, then we will in data view. Then graph, report, scroll bar, all things are available here. Then bookmark, if you create a bookmark, you can manage it from here. And insert, if you want to insert text, then title, legend, then north arrow, scale bar, other things, you can insert it from here. Mainly it is used when we get a layout from here. And now this is the selection. When you selected a thing, select by attribute, select by location, select by graphics, and other things also. Statistics we use for implement any formulas here. Geoprocessing, there is a buffer, clip, intersect, union, merge, dissolve. These all things we will learn later. Just these things we can get from here, and we can also get it from here also. There is an toolbar. This is a toolbox, and we can get it from here also. And here is the all things available here. And I just can this can be available here, and if I just pin this, this will be goes there, and I can also unpin this one from here, then it will go outside. Okay, and this was the all about and Windows and customize. You can get the toolbars from here, extension, ad manager, all things you can get from here. Okay, and this was the basic interface of ArcMap.